I'm back. I'm back. I'm back in the place where I walk across the marble floors and the polished halls. Maybe I sit in a leather hat and get a massage from robots eating bratwursts. See, the past 2 weeks I've been broke as a bone. I've been stuck with the telly or at home on the phone. But the payday's here and I got some cash. I'm alive, I'm feeling flash. I'm at the mall. I'm at the mall. I'm at the mall. I'm at the mall. So many people, I don't know what they feel. Some are on legs and others on wheels. Marble floors, polished halls, plastic ceilings, mirrored walls. Hearts are empty, bags are full. People die at the shopping mall. Hearts are empty, bags are full. Lose your children at the shopping mall. It's a queue at TJ Maxx. They got chocolate bars and soap in stacks. You come in for shoes and you leave with a mirror. Driving home you think, how did that happen? Only at the mall can that happen. Ha ha ha. I'm at the mall. So many people, I don't know what they feel. Some are on legs, others on wheels. Marble floors, polished halls, plastic ceilings, mirrored walls. Hearts are empty, bags are full. People die at the shopping mall. Hearts are empty, bags are full. Lose your children at the shopping mall. Some on legs and others on wheels. Nobody knows what the other